Hello innovators and creators, I'm delighted to welcome you to another episode where we uncover the secrets to enhancing creativity and productivity. Today we're venturing into a realm that's revolutionizing every industry, the realm of artificial intelligence. We're going to explore 5 incredible AI tools that promise to take your projects, whether they are in video production, design or content creation, to an unparalleled level of excellence. From AI video generators to color grading tools to AI design and writing platforms, these tools offer an unprecedented degree of automation and sophistication. They're transforming complex tasks into simple, efficient processes, saving time, reducing costs, and offering high-quality results. But enough talk. Let's dive straight into the world of AI and explore these innovative tools that are reshaping the creative landscape. Prepare to be amazed. First on our list is Pictory, an innovative AI video generator designed for simplicity and convenience. If you've ever found video editing to be daunting, Pictory is the tool for you. It can turn your scripts or articles into engaging video content. But that's not all. It enables easy editing with text, creating shareable video highlight reels, and even provides automatic captioning and summarization for long videos. It's an excellent tool for bloggers, companies, or anyone looking to boost their social media presence or website with high-quality videos. Next up, we have Film.ai. Film.ai is a color grading tool that leverages the power of AI to manage your workflow. This tool uses ACESCCT internally to ensure consistency in your colors, eliminating guesswork from your workflow. Don't know what ACES is? Don't worry. All you need to do is select your camera and let Film AI do the rest. It's as simple as pie. But that's not all. Film AI was built from the ground up to embrace the power of a scene-referred workflow. This feature allows you to repurpose your grade easily, whether it's for SDR or HDR. Spend less time dealing with technical issues and more time being creative. Speaking of creativity, Film.ai provides an easy and quick way to enhance your production value with color grading. Look creation is so quick and easy, it will streamline your project turnaround time. For lower budget projects, Film.ai will save you tremendous amounts of time, effort, and money by allowing anyone to establish the show look. And now, let's move on to the next tool, Synthesia. Synthesia is an AI video generator that lets users create video content at scale and with no equipment. Imagine being able to make the entire video creation process more cost-effective, scalable, and less time-consuming, all without outsourcing the process. Now let's see how to generate AI videos in under 5 minutes. Step 1 is to create a video script. AI video generators operate using a text-to-video function, which lets you create videos by typing text. After creating the script, you'll move to step 2, which is to select an AI avatar to act as the narrator or presenter for your video. In this step, you could choose from over 120 diverse AI avatars, and you can choose where you want the avatar to appear, how large or small it should be, or even hide it altogether. Continuing with Synthesia, after you've selected your AI avatar, step 3 involves pasting your video script and choosing a voice. Synthesia uses AI to transform your text script into a voiceover within seconds. You can choose the perfect accent, dialogue, and voice style that suits your script. And now we're moving on to our next AI tool, Designs.ai. Design Maker by Designs.ai is an AI design tool that auto-generates creative content. You just input your design requirements and Design Maker will generate thousands of variations instantly. It provides smart font, color, and layout suggestions, which you can instantly resize for any social media or marketing channel, all in one click. Design Maker also constantly updates its library to deliver only the best assets for your designs. It has an impressive collection of 170 million premium stock images, 100K graphics, shapes, frames, and stickers. And for our last AI tool today, we have Jasper.ai. Jasper.ai is an AI writing tool designed to generate marketing copy, such as blog posts, product descriptions, and AI copy. It offers hundreds of templates to choose from and is perfect for marketers looking to scale their content production. One interesting feature of Jasper.ai is the Explain It to Me Like a Fifth Grader option. This feature simplifies jargon-heavy text, making it accessible to a wider audience. And there you have it. Those were the 5 AI tools you must try. Pictory, Film.ai, Synthesia, Designs.ai's Design Maker, and Jasper.ai. These tools can save you tremendous amounts of time, make your work more efficient, and help you create high-quality content without requiring a huge budget or complex skills. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and useful tools in the future. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay innovative, stay creative. Bye!